to take a look at your fridge and what you have in there.
I have a lot of water, sparkling waters.
You have a beer?
I do have a beer. It's a single beer.
Okay.
Let me live.
Okay.
I have my cheeses, my butters.
Okay.
But it's not margarine.
Probably go out to eat a lot.
I do.
Right? Because there's nothing home. Make some pasta today.
Yes.
Let's get cooking. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you next week with another visit or a shopping video. What do you think?